favorite part about design is helping people create spaces that they love and that they're able to go home and feel proud of and relax after a hard day, and just knowing that we made someone super happy. Like that's the best part. My name is Kirsten Grove and I'm an interior designer and I live in Boise, Idaho. I've been designing for, 14, 15 years, off and on, and I started a design blog 11 years ago. And I've been blogging about international design, residential design, commercial design. I wrote for marthastewart.com for a while. So my journey has been very, very fun. The process begins by walking into a space and hopefully finding inspiration from it, and then going back to my office and creating a mood board and a package and then presenting that to the client. Currently, I am working on my laundry room. So we took a smaller guest room that is too narrow really to have a bed in, and we turned it into a laundry room. And I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's very bright and it's very bold, but I have gotten to the point where I need to get out and work. So it's going to be a fun process. Using molding in the right way can completely change a space, and it can refresh it and make it cool. And we're seeing a lot of accent walls where people are using molding in grid patterns or even simple stripes and painting it maybe a moody color, and it can totally change the room. I love working with Woodgrain. They have thousands of profiles, thousands of styles, and they make the decision making so easy for us. So I highly recommend them.